All right, here we go. So I got some more of my parts in. Still some stuff on the way, but I'm gonna do a little short preview of what I got right now. I finally got my new brake system in. For the front, it's my new calipers and my rotors. Y'all already seen the lower control arms. Like I said, I'm still waiting to get my subframe connectors, and I got some new shocks and stuff coming. Ball joints, all kind of stuff coming. I was trying to get me some soundproofing, like some Dynamat, and I ended up ordering this off of Amazon. This is not what I thought I was ordering. This should say Dynaliner. I don't know what this is, but it's supposed to be some kind of soundproofing. I'm gonna give it a shot, see what it do, but I'd rather have some Dynamat. So that shit might go back, I don't know. But anyway, my brakes, check this out. Cause a lot of y'all be buying rims and shit and fixing y'all cars up. Like be having the old factory ass brake system on your car. Y'all don't want to upgrade, right? But I am. I got the drilled and slotted ones, you know, for better stopping performance. These boys cold. But if you don't know, they drill these little holes and slots in here to help your rotor cool down better when you stop. When you out here mashing and clowning in your car, you come to them hard stops, your rotors get super hot and your car won't stop right. So they drill these little holes to help you have better performance, better control, you know what I mean? So it's a must have. Got my red calipers. I didn't go too crazy with the name brand, you know what I mean? But them boys, they cold. They already sprayed up for me. Got my high performance brake pads. Look at this. Damn, I missed this shit. I used to love hooking me a little carb every once in a while. I just gotta pull all this shit together. I don't know what I was thinking about. All right, so that's pretty much that for now. It's just some new parts for my Camaro. When everything else get here, I'm gonna just try to shoot a video and show me install all these new parts, hopefully all one video. And then the car can go to the welder, get my little floor pan straight, so I can start painting it. So stay tuned, I got more videos coming.